While waiting for all of those new release G-Shock watches to arrive, why not have a look at all this vintage one first? This is called the GL-120. I already made a video talking about the GL-100 and also 110. All three have totally different appearance, although they are still from the same G-Lide series. Look at that, look at how cool the stitching down here. I like this color combination a lot, although you're not gonna be able to see it, but it's beautiful just for the owners. The rest is pretty much basic. It is plain olive green with some mountain stem. I'm not sure what those for, but I'm pretty sure since this is a G-Lide, it was made to be used for snowboarding, and thus those colorful mountains. Beautiful. At this home timekeeping, you could see that it has hours, minutes, and seconds dated display, which is enough. Press mode buttons will go to stopwatch, to 100 seconds precision, 24-hour range, and recall to 10 units of lap time memory. Each time you press the split button on stopwatch, you'll be able to register that in here. This is day counter, 10 units as well. You have alarm and signal. There's an indicator down at the center. And back to home timekeeping. It is really straightforward G-Shock watch, very simple. And mine right now is currently broken, so you can see that there's missing pixels over there. But I have a donor replacements, which I'm gonna use in the disassembly video to swap that parts out. But regardless, look at that. This is very fun watch to use. I believe that is the main difference between this and other G-Lide series. There are a lot of them on the market. That's probably it. For the appearance, however, when you think about it, it looks closely similar like this G2210 for the bezel. In fact, they feature same exact size, and even the models inside are just the same. I could easily swap this into here and here to here if I wanted to. And this graphics on top does reminds me like one of those G2100 was it, which is pretty interesting as well. So it's like a combination between both series. And again, the main big difference is that the digital display, which is very nice. It's gonna take some time to enter a mode, but it's a lot more fun to use compared to other models on the market. This one has red accents or hue on the background. This one is the basics one, so there you go, GL120. And for the fit, I'm pretty sure you guys could already expect, because of those thick cloth band, you're not gonna see this one on my wrist most of the time. Probably not at all, really. I've been wearing a lot of resin watch band instead of this because I have a skinny wrist. This kind of watch band aren't for me, but I do know that some people prefer cloth band more than resin band. I don't know why. Probably if you have a bigger wrist, this kind of watch band is gonna fit better. This is how it looks like on my wrist, which is ridiculously big, but I know I could swap this band to others. A cloth band or even this resin band if I wanted to. Is really compatible, so there's no problem about the band. All you need to worry about is this watch body. If you could accept the way it is, you won't have any issues at all with the rest. The buttons, however, are pretty big, pretty easy to use even while wearing gloves, which is nice. And also overall, like I said, this is a nice watch if you're into vintage models and sporty functions. Okay, that should sums up all the things that I could share right now about this GL120 G-Shock watch. More will be made regarding G-Lide series. Well, I've got a few more actually. So stay tuned for those right now. Thank you very much for watching. This is GHF, and I'm